Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Update error 0x80080005. Copy link from description and paste it. Click download. Open and extract it. Open text file. Copy first text. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Paste already copied first text. Copy second text from Notepad. Simply paste it. Right-click Update Fix Registry, click Merge. Click Yes to continue. Click Yes to continue. Type Services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Windows Update Service. Select Startup Type to Automatic. Start Service, Apply, OK. Second method is, open any browser. Type Windows 10 download. Click Download Windows 10. Click Update now. Open downloaded file. Third method is, open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Accept. Check Upgrade this PC now. Click Next. Click Accept. Click Change what to keep. Check Keep personal files and apps. Click Next. Click Install. Installing Windows. Restarting. Working on updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.